T-Fal versus Farberware. Which cookware brand is best? In the culinary world, the tools we use can make or break our cooking experience. From searing the perfect steak to simmering a delicate sauce, the right cookware can elevate our dishes from good to extraordinary. Among the myriad of options available, two brands have consistently stood out in the home cooking arena: T-Fal and Farberware. These household names have been gracing kitchens for decades, each with its loyal following and unique selling points. But when it comes to choosing between T-Fal and Farberware, the decision can be as challenging as perfecting a souffle. Both brands offer a wide range of products, from basic fry pans to comprehensive cookware sets, each promising to make your culinary adventures easier and more enjoyable. Yet, they differ in their approaches to design, materials, and technology, leaving many home cooks wondering which brand truly deserves a place in their kitchen. So let's dive into the details and compare T-Fal versus Farberware to find out which cookware brand is best for you. History and background. T-Fal's origins and evolution. T-Fal, originally known as Tefal, has a fascinating history that began in France in 1954. The company was founded by Marc Gregoire, who made a groundbreaking discovery when he successfully bonded Teflon to aluminum cookware at his wife's suggestion. This innovation led to the creation of the first non-stick fry pan, revolutionizing the cookware industry. Over the years, T-Fal has continued to innovate, expanding its product line and refining its non-stick coating technology. The brand has become synonymous with non-stick cookware, introducing features like the thermospot heat indicator and durable multi-layer coatings that have set new standards in the industry. Farberware's journey. Farberware, on the other hand, has an even longer history, dating back to 1900 when Simon Farber started the company in New York City. Initially focused on small kitchen items like cookie cutters and measuring spoons, Farberware soon expanded into cookware, introducing its first aluminum pots in 1930. Throughout the 20th century, Farberware became a household name. Known for its durable and affordable cookware, the brand played a significant role in popularizing stainless steel cookware in American kitchens and has continued to adapt to changing consumer needs and technological advancements in the cookware industry. Product range and offerings. T-Fal's product line. T-Fal offers a diverse range of cookware to suit various cooking styles and preferences. Their product line includes non-stick cookware sets featuring their patented thermospot technology stainless steel cookware for those who prefer traditional cooking surfaces, ceramic cookware sets that provide a natural, PTFE-free non-stick option, specialty items like woks, griddles, and pressure cookers. One of T-Fal's unique features is its thermospot technology, which provides a visual indicator when the pan has reached the optimal cooking temperature. This feature is particularly useful for achieving perfect sears and consistent cooking results. Farberware's product assortment. Farberware also offers a wide array of cookware options, catering to different cooking needs and budgets. Traditional stainless steel cookware sets, non-stick aluminum cookware for easy cooking and cleaning, colorful enamel-on-steel options for those who want to add a pop of color to their kitchen, specialty items like stock pots, saucepans, and bakeware. Farberware is known for its classic designs and durable construction, often featuring sturdy handles and lids that fit securely. Their product range tends to focus on practicality and value, making them a popular choice for everyday home cooking. Material and construction. T-Fal's materials and manufacturing techniques. T-Fal is perhaps best known for its non-stick cookware, which typically features aluminum or hard anodized aluminum base for even heat distribution, multi-layer non-stick coating for durability and easy food release, reinforced bases to prevent warping and ensure stability on cooktops. T-Fal's stainless steel cookware often incorporates a multi-layer construction with an aluminum or copper core for improved heat distribution. Their ceramic cookware sets feature a titanium-reinforced interior for added durability. Farberware's materials and production methods. Farberware utilizes a variety of materials in their cookware production: stainless steel with an aluminum core for even heating in their classic lines, aluminum with non-stick coatings for their budget-friendly options, enameled steel for their colorful, retro-inspired collections. Farberware's construction methods focus on durability and practicality, with features like sturdy, riveted handles and tight-fitting lids being common across their product lines. Performance and cooking experience. T-Fal's cooking performance. T-Fal cookware is generally praised for its excellent nonstick properties, allowing for easy food release and cleanup. Even heat distribution, thanks to their multi-layer construction thermospot technology, which helps achieve optimal cooking temperatures. The cooking surface of T-Fal's nonstick pans is often reinforced to be scratch-resistant and safe for use with metal utensils, although wooden or silicone utensils are still recommended for longevity. Farberware's cooking capabilities. Farberware cookware is known for reliable heat distribution in their stainless steel and aluminum core products, durable nonstick coatings in their budget-friendly lines, versatility with many pieces being oven-safe and dishwasher-safe. While Farberware may not have some of the advanced features found in T-Fal products, their cookware is often praised for its consistent performance and longevity. Design and aesthetics. T-Fal's design, philosophy, and visual appeal. T-Fal's design approach tends to focus on modern, sleek aesthetics combined with practical features. Their cookware often features ergonomic handles designed for comfort and safety, clear glass lids for easy monitoring of cooking progress, a range of colors and finishes to suit different kitchen styles. The distinctive red thermospot heat indicator is a hallmark of many T-Fal nonstick pans, adding both functionality and a unique visual element. Farberware's aesthetic approach and style options. Farberware's design philosophy leans towards classic, timeless aesthetics. Traditional stainless steel finishes in their higher-end lines, colorful enamel exteriors in their retro-inspired collections, simple functional designs that prioritize durability and ease of use. While perhaps not as cutting-edge in appearance as some T-Fal products, Farberware's designs have a timeless quality that appeals to many home cooks. Price points and value for money. T-Fal's pricing strategy and product tiers. T-Fal offers products across various price points, budget-friendly non-stick options for casual cooks, mid-range sets featuring advanced technologies like thermospot higher-end stainless steel, and hard anodized collections for serious home chefs. Generally, T-Fal cookware is priced competitively, offering good value for the features and technologies included. Farberware's cost positioning and value proposition. Farberware is often positioned as a more budget-friendly option. Affordable non-stick sets for those on a tight budget. Mid-range stainless steel collections offering durability at a reasonable price. Some higher-end options that still tend to be priced below comparable premium brands. Farberware cookware is often chosen by those looking for reliable performance at an accessible price point. Warranty and customer support. T-Fal's warranty terms and customer service. T-Fal typically offers limited lifetime warranties on many of their products. Comprehensive customer support through phone, email, and online channels. Detailed care and use instructions to help customers maintain their cookware. Farberware's guarantee policies and after-sales support. Farberware's warranty and support features include limited lifetime warranties on most of their cookware, customer service support through various channels, easy-to-follow care instructions included with their products. Both brands generally receive positive feedback for their customer support, though experiences can vary. Consumer reviews and feedback analysis of T-Fal user experiences and ratings. T-Fal products often receive praise for excellent non-stick performance, especially in their higher-end lines. Innovative features like the thermospot indicator, durability and longevity when properly cared for. Some users report issues with the longevity of the non-stick coating, particularly in the budget lines or when used at high heat. Examination of Farberware, customer reviews and satisfaction levels. Farberware users frequently comment positively on the affordability and value for money of their products, durability, especially in their stainless steel lines, ease of use and cleaning. Criticisms sometimes focus on the performance of non-stick coatings in their lower-priced options or the weight of some of their stainless steel pieces. Final thoughts. In the T-Fal versus Farberware showdown, there's no clear-cut winner. The best choice depends on your specific needs, preferences, and budget. T-Fal stands out for its innovative features like the thermospot heat indicator and advanced non-stick technologies. Their products often appeal to those who value modern design and are willing to invest a bit more for added functionality. Farberware, on the other hand, shines in its offering of reliable, affordable cookware with a classic aesthetic. Their products are often chosen by those who prioritize value for money and traditional cooking methods. Both brands offer a range of options from budget-friendly to higher-end, and both have loyal customer bases who appreciate their respective strengths. When making your decision, consider factors like your cooking style, the types of meals you prepare most often, your budget, and your preferences for features and aesthetics. Ultimately, whether you choose T-Fal or Farberware, both brands offer quality cookware that can help you create delicious meals in your kitchen. The best cookware is the one that fits your needs and inspires you to cook. So choose the brand that resonates with you and start your culinary adventures. Meta description. Discover which brand suits your cooking needs better in our comprehensive T-Fal versus Farberware cookware comparison. Explore features, performance, and value.